Hello and welcome to the Saturday MP Show, episode 86, being recorded mostly live, February 17th, 2026. This is a show where, we're just continuing to work on PostCast. So if you want to see some live Go programming, hopefully we'll actually do some programming today, then this is a show for you. And again, it's mostly live because we try not to edit too much. I try to keep the videos, all my mistakes in the video, which are a lot of them. Man, maybe we should have been recording a couple minutes ago when I did a PR where I didn't review it and we didn't have the scripts in the right folder. Yeah, so that's what these videos are about. Just people just programming, myself and Omar here programming and making mistakes and also learning a whole bunch. So hopefully that's what you're up for. Omar, why don't you introduce yourself real quick?
Yeah, I'm a software developer, mostly in web, uh, and just happy to kind of take a break from web and do something like this desktop application here with Chris. It's interesting also learning Go. Uh, been mostly working TypeScript and a bit of Python, so Go's been it's taking me back to some of the early days where I was trying to learn Java. Um, so yeah, hopefully we'll also be able to scratch this itch finally and be able to post to the various platforms uh, when doing the weekly dev chat. So
Yeah. Yeah, for those that haven't watched the previous video, we did get our app up and running and it does post to LinkedIn. You do have to enter your credentials every time and you can't really format the post or anything, but it does post. So that's pretty exciting. So our goal for today is, well, we decided we're going to merge that kind of the work that we did from last week. We'll just merge it and then we're going to start a new branch for today. And our goal is just to keep treating this like a proof of concept, but something that we can start using right away. So kind of dog fooding it. Like I'll try to start using it to post to LinkedIn and stuff. And then as I see bugs, just kind of fix them. And so I don't know if all those would be recorded. We might just end up fixing bugs without recording it, but just kind of treat it like that. And today, probably the most annoying thing is that we've noticed is when you go to run it, it's going to prompt you for your credentials every single time. So that gets kind of annoying after a while. So we're going to try and implement a keychain or some other way to safely store the credentials. And right now it only works on LinkedIn. We're mostly focusing on Linux. So ideally this will run on Mac, Windows, and Linux in the future. But so we'll try and see if we get this keychain running because I'm running on a Windows 11 system, but all this development is happening in the subsystem for Linux. So yeah, we'll try the Linux keychain and see what happens. So we have a branch, created everything, and Omar did some research on during the week about some of the existing Go packages, right? Here, I'll load
yeah,
some of them up. Why don't you describe which ones you liked, or which one should I open up first? Like, what's the one you think
so
is kind of most promising? I guess.
I guess most promising it seems like, or at least maybe the one that kind of covers the most ground is this third one I left, which was Zalando, the
This one.
go-keyring one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one. Because I think that's also the one that's been updated most recently out of the two kind of
Hmm.
most popular ones.
This is kind of a nice start to it. It supports all of the OSs.
Yeah, it depends on this D-bus interface, which I also kind of looked into briefly there.
Okay, so you just import the keyring library. You can set
Yeah, no,
it,
yeah,
and then you can, well, of course, you can read it later. Okay.
Yeah, so the API looks pretty clean for it. I'm just not sure, if we were to think about refreshing the token, so keeping, track of how old the token has gotten or when it's expired to be able to kind of refresh that token for the user. I'm not sure if it can handle that or not.
Oh, yeah, no, that I think we would have because LinkedIn, for those that haven't watched previous videos, LinkedIn, you have to log in with kind of a username password type thing, like a secret, and then you get a token, and the token's valid for 2 months, I think, by default. And so ideally, we only really have to store that token, but then we'd have to check because we have a script. One of these scripts, right, was to yeah, this one. This is why we wanted these scripts, or at least I did, because one of them was to check is the token still valid? If I remember correctly, this will run and return like is the token valid or not.
Mm.
So we could implement some logic for that. Like, but yeah, what do you think? Like, I think we talked about just storing these, but we could just try to store the token, but then we'd have to add some logic to say like, hey, for the keyring, go get the token. If the token's expired, prompt them to log in again. So approximately
Yeah,
every 2 months. I don't know if LinkedIn would complain if you're posting a bunch. Every time we use these, we would get a different token. I think. I
mm,
don't know if LinkedIn would like that or not. Like, is there a limit to the amount of tokens you can have? I don't know.
I'm not sure. Sometimes they don't disclose those things.
Well, I think even saving, hmm, even just, I guess we could store both. Like we could hide this. Well, I think there is like even if we use these, there's still a little bit of logic the user has to click through to do it, right?
Mm.
Oh, I guess we could just start with the token. Maybe I'm changing my mind here. We could start with the token and then I don't know. What are your thoughts, Omar?
Yeah, I'm kind of wondering. So if I'm like using this and I pop it open for the first time, I'm gonna put in my the client ID and secret for my application, obviously. Um, I'm gonna make my post. Um, I'm blissfully unaware that now there's an access token that's been generated. Um, so I just go ahead and I make my post and everything's
Mm-hmm.
fine and dandy. Now I close the application, I come back, a week later, pop it open again. Now it's going to be, do I want to enter those credentials again? Do I want to just open it up and be able to make my post? I feel like it's a one-time thing, right? Like it would be a bit annoying to have to do that every time. Like I would want to just have, yeah, I wouldn't want to worry about that every time I open it, right? Like what if I want to do multiple posts in a short amount of time for some reason, like in a day or two. I just want to be able to open up this application and just
Mm-hmm.
post after you've taken my credentials, right? Like,
Yeah,
um,
yeah. So should we save the token or
I think we should save the token, right? Because
okay?
yeah,
Uh,
like we should save the token and handle the time, the lifetime.
okay, so that's what we should try to do. Okay, so let's see how we can save a token here. Okay, I guess I can. Yeah, because this is the app. You have to click. We'll have to add some things to like edit your credentials or delete them or something. But
Hmm.
for now, like, yeah, we have to do this whole post to LinkedIn mumbo jumbo, and it makes you authenticate and everything. Okay. Yeah, let's try saving the. Okay, let's cancel this. Okay. Saving the token. So to save the token. Okay, so internal. So we have our platforms. We have LinkedIn. Saving credentials should probably not be under. Well, it should be under its own thing, right? Like authentication or something.
Yeah. Put it in like,
Or keychain
or keychain.
credentials. Does everything have a keychain? No, is that what it's called on everything? Keychain on all the OSs?
I don't think so. I think it's called key. It's definitely called keychain on Mac. Um, I guess Linux also calls it keychain. I think keyring is kind of the generic one.
What does this thing call it? Key ring. Okay. Yeah, okay, maybe we'll call it key ring. Okay. Rename key ring. Okay. And then in here, just an empty application. What do we want to call this? Wait, if we're gonna use go-keyring, they already call it keyring.
Hmm. Oh, so I guess we don't want to clash with that. Is what I'm hearing.
Well, I don't. How does I think we're okay. I'm trying to remember how. So I don't know if I said this at the beginning, but neither Omar and I are experts in Go. So if we create a keyring, no, don't. File in here,
Yeah. So the
and we
package now is keyring.
import this. Like, is this going to create issues? Why doesn't like this import here?
I think package goes before import.
Oh,
Package has to
package.
be at the top.
Is that what it's doesn't like? Oh yeah, cool. Um, yeah, is this gonna cause is this gonna cause a problem? Okay, yeah, we should probably just for our own sanity. What should we call ours? Like it's already complaining about things.
Yeah. Maybe just call it like credential or credential store.
For our internal one.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll put this in the authentication
Yeah.
or credentials. What do you like better, auth or credentials for the main our internal package name?
I think auth is kind of general, so I think credentials is clear to me, like as to what we're doing here. But I mean, yeah, let's go with credentials for now.
Credentials. Okay.
Yeah.
We can always rename it. So yeah, I'm
I
trying out
think I
this.
think auth is like more standard to name these things. I feel like from what I've seen, but
And then what do we want this? Let's just call this foo for now. What are you complaining about now? Oh, we probably have to run that import statement now, but what do we want this thing to look like? How do you declare functions again? Like just func main, right? Func.
yeah.
So we'd want to be like set credentials. And then like get I'm just trying to think how we would call this, right? We'd want to do something like
Yeah,
this, right?
yeah.
And here we would have to pass in
The
um,
secret and
we,
client ID.
yeah, we'd have to pass in the platform. We'd have to know that, right?
Right.
The credential name or whatever we want to call it, right?
Yeah, right.
And then the
And
actual
then I
credential in
th
this case, right?
yeah,
So this would just be OS. And then what would we call? So our package is called credentials. What do we want to call this file here?
sure. So maybe um
Did we just call it credentials too? Is that a common pattern?
I think the common pattern is like I think it's auth usually, or auth, but this is an auth, right? So just auth.
Sorry, you have to repeat that. You broke up a little bit.
Sorry, I think the common pattern is auth from as far as I can tell.
Oh, okay. So we call this one auth. Yeah, that's not a bad name for now, I guess.
Yeah.
I think because yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this keyring, oh, it's still alpha. This one.
Oh,
It's been four. It's got a bunch of stars. It hasn't had a release in a while.
yeah, since 2024.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that said, I don't think the keychain changes very often. So, what are the issues people are reporting? Oh, these are all 2024 too. Pull requests. Mm. Zalando. Yeah, a lot of people forked it too.
Right. I mean, the other one that I was kind of considering was the one at the very end here, which was
This
um yeah,
Keybase
and
Go keychain.
that seems to have been updated. I mean, it's still it's like a year. It's been-
Yeah, but again, I don't think. Oh, there's no issue thing, but I don't think you need to do a lot of updates for a keychain. I'm assuming.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, Mac OS, iOS, and Linux in Go. They don't have Windows. I don't know if Windows has a keychain though, but
They do. So there's I mean, they have a registry, like a part of the registry. So if you look at um it's like the second link I sent you, which is
oh, they're storing it in the registry. Um, that's not a secure play. Like, anyone can read the registry depending on where you store things. So I don't know if that's a
right.
yeah. So these keys are not like the Windows registry is not like a key store. It's just like a dumping ground for like named key value pairs. Have you
Oh,
ever
okay.
seen the registry?
I I don't remember. Maybe at some point.
There, I can. Well, here's the here's the registry.
Okay.
So it's
So it's
just
sort
a
of out in the open.
it's just a giant dumping ground. Like you'll need admin or something to read certain keys. I think I can't remember how this works, but like it's just a giant dumping ground for key value pairs.
Let's
So
see.
like current user, like here's software, like people can store stuff in there.
Hmm.
What does JetBrains put in there? Oh, they just put the platform in there. So it's just a key value pair that you can change these to anything you want. So
Okay. So where does software store credentials in Windows, or
I don't
is that
know. That's what I was wondering. I don't know where a secure place. So this one we definitely don't want. So where does this one store it for Windows? They call it Secret Service. They're using free desktop or something, whatever that is. Where would they store whether it's Windows or not? They have, oh, here, okay, here's all their keyring stuff. Darwin. Oh yeah, there's the Windows one. Where do they put the Windows stuff? I don't know what WinCred is. WinCred. Oh, this is someone else's. It's a link to another one.
Hmm.
Get generic credential. Okay, so they're using whatever this person used. What is that? WinCred. Oh, okay. So Windows does have a credential manager, it looks like.
Hmm.
Encoding. WinCred, okay. Is this cred read? Okay. Oh, they have to translate from all the gross Windows things. Oh yeah. I wonder where this stores it. Okay, now I'm curious.
WinCred.
Huh. WinCred overview. Oh, huh. Well, that looks like a lot. That's a pain. Okay. Do we want to use go-keyring? What is this one? Wrap around keychain.go. It's probably just their like interface or something. A bunch of error messages. Hmm. Do I want to try this one?
Looks like they called it package keychain too over there.
Yeah. Oh, it's messing with our item. So if we want to add an item, so services would be like PostCast, I guess. The account label. I don't know what all this stuff is. Yeah, we'd probably have to read about the keychain for Linux and Mac. Oh, it's a lot of setup. That's kind of the bummer.
Hmm.
Yeah, new generic okay, this is a little easier. New generic password. Huh. Interesting.
Yeah, and this is, I guess, no issues with this one.
Well, they didn't enable issues.
Oh, they didn't even enable it. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know what Keybase is, but is this a company or something? Is that why they have issues here? Oh, is Keybase their own thing?
It might be.
Crypto for everyone. They have a website that I just miss?
Yes, keybase.io.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we probably don't want this because we have to have their software. I'm installing, and I'm assuming. Huh. Interesting
What do
though.
you mean?
Right. Like do we have to install this Keybase app, don't we?
I don't think so. Because they've just exposed the like if we're just looking at the this Go keychain project, why would we have to install anything but that?
Oh, that's true. Yeah, yeah. I think. Oh yeah, they're like a messaging app or something. Oh, interesting. Send secure messages, families. Oh, okay. So if we're looking, sorry, if we go back and look at their um, Go application.
Not that one. So it's Go keychain.
Yeah, okay. Accessing the keychain from. Oh, okay. Yeah. Mac OS and Linux. They have a Linux one. Excuse me. Other tests.
I guess comments are actually common in Go for um, to have like a comment explaining each function.
Yeah, I'm not against extra comment. If anything, I comment more than most people would probably like. Attribute. Add item into the keychain. Huh, okay. Because they have the Mac OS, but I don't see a Linux one, do you? iOS.
What's keychain.go there?
That's the one I was just looking at. This is for their Darwin build, it looks like.
Mm,
I'm assuming these are some sort of compiler commands. I don't really know. Cars
yeah, but
on
in
Linux
Linux.
communicates to the provider of the dbus secret secret service spec. Oh, okay.
Okay.
So that's
Oh,
what it
right, yeah.
uses here. Okay, so it uses this key-based dbus
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. Oh, key-based dbus. Okay, there's another dbus there, which I guess is a different thing, but dbus is what Linux uses?
Yeah, that's what it seems like. Oh, this is a public archive. I wonder where they archived it. Oh, there's a lot going on. This is a big project. Right? Because they're
Oh,
using.
they switched to this. Yeah, so I think they switched to this one, the last link there, or sorry, the second last link, slash go dbus slash dbus.
God bus or yeah, go dbus. I was like, what's a God bus? Uh, dbus messaging system. Okay. This person just called themselves Go dbus. Interesting. Darwin Linux. Okay. Unix, Windows. Fine. Oh, okay. So Fine's already using it. Cool. The API is considered unstable for now. Oh, we are on release like 5. I hope it's relatively stable. Is this project dead? Yeah, okay. Uh, okay. How to save items to the Linux keychain in an app. Sure. Yeah, like Python has that.
Hmm.
Yeah, there's like the GNOME keyring.
No keyring.
Golang keyring. I'm assuming this is just kind of what you did, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think I asked, I searched and I asked the LLM and I kind of compared, um, and then I realized that, well, there's just stuff in the Go registry, right? Like you can just search the packages in the Go registry.
Oh, right. Yeah, yeah. 99 designs. Yeah, you have that one
Yeah, that
too.
was the other one
It's been a while too. But
that
again,
has been updated a lot.
yeah, maybe there's not changes.
I
Excuse me.
mean, I guess that's the thing about packages. It's like it's sort of like use at your own, don't want to say risk, but
Yeah.
uh, it's somebody else's code. It's open source code.
Huh. Okay. So it doesn't seem like. Hmm. Well, no matter what we do, okay, we're getting a little off the rails here, but no matter what we do, we're going to hide it behind our own interface here, whether this uses like, right, like a third party in here or write our own, right? Like either way, our app is just going to interface with it this way.
Right.
Hmm. Do we want to try one of these? Ugh.
Maybe try the simplest one and just kind of see if it's kind of working again, considering we're sort of in that phase where we're kind of throwing stuff around and
That's true, yeah.
so um I'd say maybe try one of those two packages that either the Zalando Go Keyring or the 99 Designs seems like the least amount of setup.
Well, this Zolando one seems somewhat reasonable. Like, I like the interface for it. And
Yeah, let's
secure
try it.
keychain usage. Oh, comparisons. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. They use C bindings. Okay, yeah. Okay. I like your plan. Let's just try it.
Yeah,
Okay, so I need to what is that um mod tidy?
mod tidy, go mod tidy. Yeah.
But I need to call one of these things first though before I otherwise it'll delete this thing, right?
Oh,
What's that other
it'll
command?
delete it from the mod file. Well,
Yeah, like it's gonna remove it, I think, if we oh no, maybe not.
I think you're good.
Oh yeah, okay. It added in there. Okay, so this is good. Oh yeah, unused. Okay, that's fine. So we have it unused. Oh, okay, cool. Fixed itself. So if we want to set a credential, we're going to keyring.set password, and then we can get the password. Okay. Well, let's just try their example code and see what happens. So we want to keyring dot set. Our service will be, I don't know, PostCast linked in. We need a user and a password. I just want to set the token though.
Yeah.
Open Seahorse. Oh, maybe they have other. Let's see. Do they have other methods in here? Set. Oh, that's just the interface. Go back. Set. Well, I guess we could put the user, I don't know, just for whatever for now. PostCast. And the password would be the token. I need to declare variables in here. I guess we need the, I guess we could do this service. Well, let's call this platform. No, platform. Sure, string. I guess we could.
Name.
You'd put the platform there as the login name, and then this would be. I don't know if this is supposed to be capitalized or not, but postcast, and then plat. I don't know how to do. How do you do string concatenation and stuff in Go? What's I guess I could just ask this.
I think you have to use. Actually, it should be built in. I don't know if you need like a FMT. Or
Oh, you can
sprintf. That's the one. Yeah, FMT sprintf. I think that's the one people use.
strings.join.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you could do it manually. So strings. That's another one. Okay.
Okay.
Use sprintf when you need format. Use plus for simple cases. Use strings.build loops or build strings. Use sprintf. Yeah, you're gonna need to take off that squiggly.
Oh, yes, thank you. There we go. Log dot default fatal. What other options do I have? Panic.
Panic's kind of the easy one, but that you shouldn't like rely on too much, I guess.
What's fatal? Is that gonna kill the app? What does that mean for the logging?
I think it kills it. Yeah, it just stops. It stops execution.
Go log.
Log package.
Oops.
Fatal's up
Fatal.
there.
Panic. Okay, the fatal function calls OS exit after writing the log messages. The panic function calls panic. Okay, so we don't want to do either of those. We'll just write something out for now. Fatal. Can we just do output? Prefix. Output writes the output for a logging event. Panic. Print. Okay, we could just print it, I guess.
Yeah, it's probably the safest. It's not, and then just return.
Yeah. Just print.
Yeah, printf. Or just print.
Printf lets me format a string, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, okay. Error setting credentials for platform, blah blah. Platform error, okay. And then we return the error, I guess. Sure. Now, how do I see if I have the keyring set up in Linux? I'd create a new chat here. Nope. Go away. Oh, those aren't very useful. Okay.
Like you want to see if
I wanted to
the
create a new chat like window or new chat context, but I don't see a button to do it. That's fine. I'll just do this. How? What was I going to ask it again? How do I check using the CLI if I have a key ring set up on Linux and it is working? Excuse me. Okay. Oh, so they use the secret service one. Oh, okay. Let's see. Nope. Oh, it's just my PS command. So, okay. How do I install the key? Okay.
Oh yeah, it's a good catch. Okay, I installed it.
Do I have to start it somehow? How do I start the service? Oh, yeah, I probably
I'm
have to.
actually sorry. I'm okay to keep going actually because I think the thing that I had coming up has been postponed.
Oh, was it something
Yeah.
exciting? Was it something to be bummed about?
Um, Not necessarily. It's kind of like work related.
Oh, okay.
Part of the yeah. So it's all right. No harm done.
So, oh, I got some stuff back. I need it to work in. Yeah. Oh, what a pain. Um, works, but more fiddly. Okay.
That's pretty funny. It's kind of amazing when a machine says that in a sentence. It's like
Says what in a sentence?
works but more fiddly.
Whoa, which one do we try? Do we try use
So
KeyPass
there's
XC
all
on Windows as a keyring?
so KeyPass is like software, right? Like that you would install.
Yeah, it
Like all, I
looks
guess
like it.
all of these are.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the thing, right? So it sounds like so yeah, depending on the Linux distribution. So what about Ubuntu? Because right now we're just focusing on Ubuntu, right? That's kind of
Yeah. Yeah, we'd have to make
so
an assumption that they're using this GNOME keyring. And if they're not, then I don't know. They're in trouble.
do we ask them to install it or do we install it for them? Is that a possibility?
Uh I don't know how the installers work. We could try to install it for them or add it as a dependency maybe if we packaged. I think we'd have to package it up as like a Linux distro package to get that to work.
Okay.
Um which I don't think we could do it just through the Go kind of installer that we're creating right now or the Go executable. I think it's just a zip file, so
Mm, right. So we just have to assume that I guess that's what you're checking for, which makes a lot of sense, is to check if even there's something installed already or not.
I don't know. Am I on? PS command isn't working. In Windows, or it's I would like to test the key pass on Linux. This go app. But I guess we could do. I don't know. What are your thoughts? Do we try do I install this other thing? Yeah, we don't have a desktop login session.
Auto starts unlocks GNOME queue. I think maybe it's just one of those cases to be like, okay, let's just look for the most common one, which I guess is GNOME keyring in this case. If that's there already, then we save to it. If not, then well, you're shit out of luck. Sorry to we're not you're just gonna have to um go through the whole process again each time. So we'll just bypass the entire save credentials flow,
Yeah.
right?
But no, I was thinking like what do you mean for do I do this option? Use this?
Well, KeyPass is just it's never really going to be there by default, right?
If you install, it's not usually installed on Windows Subsystem for Linux and stuff, I think. But if you install like Ubuntu, a desktop version, right? It usually comes pretty standard with.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you just went and installed Ubuntu client or Ubuntu for my desktop, like on my laptop or whatever, the GUI version, it'll come with all this on there.
I see.
Check. I don't know, a lot of help there. Oh yeah, here. Necessary cookies only. Go away. My main recognition saw the GNOME keyring package or work. Okay, which we tried. Oh, they're doing
Can we check for both, maybe? Like, can we check for a few of the main ones and just kind of like have a switch statement type thing? So to say, like, if you've got uh whatever it's called, gnome ring, gnome keyring, then we'll store it in the gnome keyring. If you've got a key pass, we'll store it in the key pass.
Oh yeah. Well, I think KeyPass uses the same protocol. This one, this KEE pass. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this would just be a way for me to work around that I'm in Windows Subsystem for Linux.
Oh, okay. I see.
So I install this on Windows, and then I install this proxy or something. And then I can use this proxy to verify that it works.
Okay. Not sure what you mean by proxy here, but
So I'm not storing the actual tokens in Windows Subsystem for Linux. They're getting proxied out to Windows, to
oh, so
this
it's
thing
getting
right on Windows. Yeah.
uh-huh.
So that's an extra setup.
I see. This is sort of because you're using the Windows subsystem for Linux.
Yeah. Can you? Oh, these keyrings. I thought they could run headless, but I guess not. Linux keyring headless. Require an initial password to unlock and load the data in memory. This poses a challenge in the system where use. Yes. On a headless Linux. We're using SSH. Oh, okay. So you can. Oh, there's a. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yeah, so we should be able to start it. But
dbus.
Z. Well, I don't know what Z Linux is, but. Oh, okay. So maybe we could do that. Because GNOME is their GUI interface. So we saw the GNOME. Can utilize the secret service backend. Read the docs. Okay.
Python keyring library.
Yeah, but behind the scenes, they'll use this secret service.
Right.
Oh, that's the draft.
So apparently Secret Service is the most common keyring system in Linux.
Yeah, that's what it seems like. Excuse me. All right, let's remove. Oops. Clean this up and try again. Uninstall no keyring. Oh. Oh, right. It's remove or something, I think. Okay, so we removed it all, so we can try again.
So you just removed the that gnome keyring?
Yeah. GNOME keyring. Okay, that's fine. This package provides a secret. Oh, okay. Using keyring. Ask Ubuntu.
WSL is considered a headless system.
Oh, of course, it's all Python stuff again. Using key.
I love these comments. This is so wrong on so many levels.
Which one's that?
The one right there. It's like at the top.
Oh,
Yeah. The the good old days of, Stack Overflow and other such platforms.
yeah. You can. Okay, using keyring on a headless. This is from, I don't know, Jericho. Okay, so we installed that. dbus run session. Oh, okay. So it just seems like we would just have to manually start it for now, but then maybe add it to our bash RC. Okay, we could try that. Let's see. Let's try installing it again. I have it up here. Sudo apt install GNOME keyring. Okay. Install the GNOME keyring daemon. Start a debug session. Okay.
Dbus is like um, a type of shell, like Bash or
I'm
Z
not
shell.
I'm not 100% sure. It might be. GNOME keyring daemon unlock. Oh, I probably have to set an initial password. How do I set the initial password? Or create it. The login key does not exist. Okay. So, oops. No key ring daemon unlock. Oh, permission denied. Did I type that right?
No, Damon is spelled wrong.
Oh, okay, there we go. No keyring DAEMON. There we go. Try password. That doesn't seem to do anything. Oh, press Control D. Okay. Oh, okay. So now let's see if this is running. Where's the commands to see if it's running? Oops. Now can I exit this, or is this gonna? Okay, let's start this all over again. Okay, so sh gnome key ring DAE unlock. Remember to run the application on the same debug session as the daemon. Oh, do I have to run it in here? Okay, yeah, it looks like something's running here. Okay, so it's up and running. So if I exit this, though, is it gonna? Oops. Right. Oh, I have to run it inside of this. Okay, that's not great. Boo. Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay, well, this is running in Docker. This is kind of similar to what we need. Oh, of course, this is all Python stuff, though. Let's drop into new debug shell session. I don't think this is what we want. Oh, what a pain. Should I just run this in Linux? Should I try to get a GNOME?
As opposed to a Windows Subsystem.
Yeah.
Or should we? Yeah, it's hard to say. So, like, is there no, because it can't, you can't have a keyring in your Windows subsystem for Linux. It has to be like it has to be done on your Windows machine because it is a Windows machine, is what I'm understanding.
Yeah, like I'm running on Windows 11, but we're developing in Windows Subsystem for Linux.
Right, and you're trying to, so you'd be using the application as if you're like using it in a Linux environment, basically, and you want to be able
Yeah,
to do everything that you would be able to do in a Linux environment properly.
yeah,
Mm. But that doesn't seem to be doable so much in this case. So why can't you just save it in your like Windows WinCred or whatever it is and just use that?
because then I would have to run it. We'd have to run the app outside of the WSL,
Mm,
which I don't want to install Go and all that stuff on my base OS if I can avoid it.
I see. But that doesn't make sense either. Like, are there no applications that are using keyrings in for Windows subsystem for Linux?
Yeah, I could. I have to get. Yeah, I have to get System D up and running. Yeah, and then have a remote desktop.
Holy moly.
Hmm.
Oh, that looked like pretty similar to the use case we're going through here.
Which one?
The one that you're just looking at there.
Oh, this one back here. Yeah.
Yeah. Just running Ubuntu as well.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's not up and running.
Hmm.
Yeah, you have to know no System D.
Right. Your question is basically this, right? Linux keyring issues. Trying to install the bridge on a Kali Linux OS.
Yeah. Um.
Hmm. I mean, it's obviously a pain because you don't want to be using, you don't want to have to switch it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh. Local share keyring. Do we even have that in there? Let's see. No. Don't even have a local directory. Okay. Yeah, it's a common question. Oh, what a pain.
The Raspberry Pi formats, yeah.
Yeah, they're doing this unlock and then start. But then you have to be inside the Oh, they're starting it. Yeah, but I think you still have to be in that session. So
Right.
install the keyring. That's fine. Yeah, so I can't just have it running. Okay, what's a workaround? Hmm.
Yeah, it's a bit of a pain.
Yeah. Man, we didn't get to any programming today. I might have to do some poking around on my own to figure this out. Because we kind of got it working here, but that's not
Yeah.
great.
You have to have the session up and going.
Yeah, so I guess what we could do, like we could do this and then gnome key ring DAE unlock. That'll work. There we go. And now we should. Okay. So it looks like it's up and running. What's that secret tool?
Secret service.
Secret tool.
Secret tool.
Oh, permission denied. Do I need to do sudo? Oh, command not found. Oh, okay. I have to install it, I guess. Okay. At install secret tool. Oh. How do I install the secret tool for this? Install secret tool. Oh, the lib secret tools. Okay. Lib secret. Da, da, da. Okay. Was it tools or
Lib
tools?
secret tools? Lib secret
All right, secret tool. There we go.
tool. Okay.
No S. Store. Test. Uname password. Oh, password. Oh, password. Oh, okay. There. It prompted me for the. Oh, I must have. I think I hit enter the first couple times I created this thing. Okay. Oh, it does prompt me for the. Yeah, this is the. This is from Linux Subsystem for Windows. Okay, so this will pop up if I can get this
Okay.
running.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, so it activated. Okay. I need to delete the whole. Was it? I just need to delete my keychain there. Delete existing keychain in Linux.
Using Seahorse.
How do I delete key rings? Delete existing. No keychain. And start again. Yeah, it's local. I don't have a .local though. Do. Select delete. How to recover, reset. Yeah, that's what I thought. There's no ls. Is there no .local? Yeah, there's no. Oh, because I'm not in home. Duh. Okay. Share. There we are. Oh, that was dumb of me. Oh, there's a user key store and a login key ring.
Right.
What's in there? User key store. I don't know. Let's get rid of it too. Hopefully that won't screw everything up.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's terminal back in. Um, Oh, I should really write these down. I never remember what it is. Oh, there. No. Actually, let's try. Just gonna cancel this.
So how's this going to be done programmatically? Is that sort of what you're trying to figure out?
No, I'm just trying to get it to run on my machine so that I can call it.
Okay.
Look up attribute value. I don't know. Test. Oh, test. Uname test. It didn't prompt me for the password. Store label equals test. Attribute uname test. Password. Oh, okay. An application wants to create a new keyring called default keyring. Choose the password you want to use for it. Oh, password. Oh, well, that worked. It looks okay. So now if I
Nice.
look up uname test. Hey, okay. So that seems to be working. Okay.
Okay.
So maybe it is up and running. uh oh, interesting. Okay. So it looks like I had installed the secret tool thing. Maybe I had installed the GNOME keyring. I don't know, but it looks like it's working. So now if we go here. Okay, so I just got to call the set credential from somewhere. What's a good way to do this? So if I go to the main app here.
Right.
All right, let's just do this. We need to add a reference to it right here.
You got to import it, yeah.
GitHub.com, SaturdayMP credentials. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then how do I, oh, this needs to be capitalized, which it is. Okay. And then how does this work again? I just go, no.
It'll
Credentials
be like
dot,
auth
oh, set
dot
credential.
or
Okay.
yeah,
So it's
credentials.
always the name of the package. Okay. Platform like LinkedIn. And what was the other one?
Credential name.
Oh, the token. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now if I run this, run yeah. Error parsing.
It's fine error. In the main.go file.
Oh, is it because I'm not using these anymore?
No, there's something in your main.go file.
Go package mod. This is fine IO though. This is Go language. Or this is fine or something like that, I think. Well, let's just add this back. Here. Oh, okay. Well, it did do something there. Tag is not well. Oh, maybe my C package.
It's in your. Just go to your main.go file for a second.
Oh, we didn't make any changes to that though.
Okay, so it's just running the application.
Yeah.
It's just okay.
It's got to be this
Here.
thing that's screwing us up.
Okay. Unused function get credential.
Oh, that's fine. Go mod. I wonder if it stored anything.
Tag language tag is not well. Error parsing user locale C.
How does this do
In
fatal?
locale. Fatal, yeah, log.fatal.
Let's see if it's crashing there. Oh, it's not crashing.
Okay.
Okay. Secret tool. Oh, there's a search. Okay. Search
This is it.
all.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, it's a fine error, so maybe just comment out all the fine related logic in that file and see what it says.
Yeah, I don't think the
Because you're
error is causing us any grief, though. At least not for what we're trying to debug, because this didn't
okay.
fail. Like, we called
Yeah,
this, and it seemed to work.
that's a good point.
Search all. LinkedIn. How do I just see? I always make these tools so hard to use. How do I see all the items using secret tool? Ugh.
Seahorse.
Oh, okay. Sudo app install Seahorse. Seahorse. Oh, yeah, look, it did set it.
Yeah, look at that.
Huh. It set it to, can I show it? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
All
Okay.
right.
So, okay. Oh, man, we did all that, like, holy crap. Well, we learned a lot about key rings, I guess. We did all that, and everything was up, and I think I just need to install that one package, and it would have worked. What a crazy... Okay.
Oh, it's just the secret tool pack, the live secret package or whatever it is.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Oh, okay. So that's all
Cool.
working.
Yeah.
So did we... What time is it now? Oh, we should probably log off. We got the
Yeah.
weekly dev chat coming up here.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool that that's working.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's kind of exciting.
Yeah.
So actually, I'm just going to put this back here so I can have it locally. No, what happened? There we go. Cancel. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so we set it to LinkedIn, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we saw that, right? Like I wasn't imagining it. Yeah. There's a test one I set.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show me the money. How do I see this again? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Description: password for LinkedIn on PostCast. So what all did it say? I'm going to move this out of the way here. It must have added this password stuff itself, because we didn't set that, I don't think, right? If we look in our auth. Yeah, we just called it PostCast. Okay.
Called it PostCast LinkedIn.
Oh, service. Yeah, there's the service that we set. The username was LinkedIn. Okay, so yeah, I wonder if all these key rings, you have to have a password and username password, which we don't really care about the username. We just need the token. But oh, that's cool. Save password or login.
Yeah, I mean that's what
Type
keyring
password.
does, right? Is that you're storing a password and it stores it under a label kind of thing.
Yeah. Oh, the Seahorse is kind of cool.
Yeah, that seems to be the one they kind of recommend in a lot of these libraries if you want to interact.
I interact with it, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you can just see everything here. Show trusted. Show any. Oh, okay. So it's just show me mine. Search. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at all these.
Okay.
Those collection seems. Oh, yeah, I have a key there. Okay. That's for like GitHub and stuff. Oh, okay. Well, this is kind of a handy app. Huh.
Yeah.
All this time, and now I learned about this. Oh, okay. So I can create a new key. Password keyring. Password private key. Oh, okay. Oh, good job, Seahorse. Cool. Okay, so we know this works. So, okay, yeah, but we should wrap this up real quick because we got stuff to do. I'm getting all excited because it's working now. Well, thanks, Omar, for putting up with all that. That was a lot.
Oh, no worries.
That
No,
was
good.
not that was not great. Okay, so we learned about keychains a bunch though. So I guess as usual, thanks everyone if you actually watched all this. That's pretty amazing. If you have any suggestions about anything we can improve aside from, I don't know, maybe doing a little bit of homework before we record these, let us know. You can send emails to ask@SaturdayMP.com. Let us know. Share, like, subscribe, do all the things. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day and it's not crazy, snowy, and cold like it is here today. So thanks again, Omar, for hanging out with me. And
It's been a treat.
yeah, and we'll catch you all next time. Bye for now.